Welcome to Becoming a Friend of God, where we talk about practical ways to grow closer to God. I want to start by asking you, what would happen if you started spending a lot of time with somebody? What would happen if you guys started to have a lot of deep conversations? What kind of friendship would that be? What kind of bond would be formed? You see, in James chapter 4, verse 8, it says this: Draw near to God, and he will draw near to you. Cleanse your hands, you sinners, and purify your hearts, you double-minded. Now I want to focus specifically on the first part of that verse. Draw near to God, and he will draw near to you. A lot of times we ask ourselves, how do we get closer to God? And here the word is challenging us to take the steps to get closer to God. So now the question becomes, what does it look like to draw near to God? And how do we do that? Well, you see, there's some practical things that we can do to draw near to God. And trust me, this is the basics. It's the same thing over and over. Read your word, pray, worship, and spend time in godly community. You see, when you read your Bible, God begins to have deep, intimate conversations with you. And when you pray, you begin to have deep, vulnerable, intimate conversations with God. And as you worship, you invite the presence of God in the room with you. And as you spend time in godly community, you're encouraged on your walk with Christ. So now take some time to reflect on these questions. What would happen if you read your word consistently? What would happen if you prayed consistently? What would happen if you worshiped consistently? What would happen if you were a part of godly community consistently? What kind of relationship would you have with God? What kind of bond would be formed between the two of you?